Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my dream closet makeover. So my oldest son has moved out and we have this whole room that we're going to be turning into a closet because our master bedroom closet is small and really my husband can fill it up himself. So anyway, we're going to hop right in. I started by removing the carpet. As you can see, the carpet in this room is pretty worn out. We've been in the house now for about 6 years. I had two boys in this room. My oldest has just moved out, but my other son, he went to college. So anyway, they destroyed the carpet basically. But because it's a closet, I do want to put in hardwood or vinyl flooring. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So this is something that you can do yourself. I removed the carpet first and then I had to go through and remove the pad and also the tack strip. I will tell you y'all, this is not easy. It can be done, but it's hard on the back. My back was killing me, but I did get through it. Yeah, that was probably the toughest hour and a half. My back, just all the bending really. And then I was hitting the crowbar so hard that I kind of hit my hand. You probably can't tell, but it's like swollen right there. But I did that. I really just did that. So now it's really just sweep up and clean up, and then we'll be all prepped for the hardwood floor. All right, you guys, so I have never done this before. I am about to lay this flooring myself. So I have this Core Luxe flooring here, which basically it just clicks together. So it's a tongue and groove type of situation. So you see they connect here and then they connect here at the seam. So, hold on, there we go. So what I'm gonna do, again, I said I've never done this before, but I've watched a bunch of YouTube videos, so I'm kind of a YouTube graduate of flooring, but I'm sure I will not be doing all of this correctly. And no truer words could have been spoken. Not only do I need to hand back in my YouTube diploma, but y'all, let me tell y'all, this was very difficult. I got down like the first row and then I saw right away that this was not going to work. Making the cuts for the corners, it is a skill and it is difficult. So I told my husband to do what he needed to do and call in his friends. And I'm so glad that we did that because these guys came in and they got this floor done in, no lie, y'all, like an hour. The floor was in, the cuts were made, they knew exactly what they were doing. It took them no time at all. So sometimes we got to just pay people, y'all. We got to pay people. All right, you guys, so this is where we are now. Y'all see the floors are in. I am putting together my pack system right now. So this is 2 boxes that I've already done. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I got 4 more boxes to put together. And this is where we are. So this is where I'm starting this vlog at. So the flooring, I tried to do the flooring myself, but then I just was too concerned about making sure the cuts were right, especially around some of the corners and edges. Like right here, we still have to get a transition strip. This floor, the original floor they put in when the house was built, But of course, it's been years. We can't find that floor anymore, so we just had to go with something close. But we'll put a transition strip here, and when the door's closed, you won't even really be able to tell it. But yeah, so it looks really good. I'm glad I called in help. They came in, they were able to do it in like an hour, and they was out of here. It took me an hour just to put down like one row. But anyway, here we are now. So I'm going to be filling this whole back wall with boxes, and then this wall over here, I'm going to leave this wall empty because I feel like it would just feel too closed in because the boxes come out so much. So I don't want to walk in the room and then there's a big wall here. So we're just going to put like a full body mirror on here, and then we're going to do some type of island in the middle. But this is it so far. So I'm going to finish putting together these boxes. Y'all, when you put the first box together, if you decide to do the pack system with Ikea, the first box, of course, you'll have to pay attention, make sure you're doing it right. But after you do the first box, you can literally do all the next boxes without any instructions. It's pretty much, it's easy breezy. So I'm about to put together these last 4, see how fast I can do them. It's not gonna focus, but it's 1:35 now. So see how long it takes me to put together the rest of these boxes. All right, y'all, it is 1:56. So that was exactly 20 minutes to put this box together. So not bad. Once you figure out the best way for you to do it, and once you figure out the best way for you to do it and maneuver around your room, it's pretty simple. So all right, let's put this one in place. So after I had all the boxes together, I just had to go in and put in my inserts, which were shelves and some drawers, and of course hanging rods and all of that good stuff. So just stay tuned for the rest of this makeover. I will be building a DIY island next week, so y'all definitely want to stay tuned for that. And yeah, I think this came out perfect. I'm very excited about this closet space. It is going to give us so much room for organization, which we just really need. If I showed y'all my closet right now, y'all would be like, oh, like what in the world is going on? But it's okay. We're going to get it together. So yeah, so thank y'all so much for joining me for this video. And here is a look of how the system looks all put together.